make a cappuccino, it's a little bit different than a latte. With a latte, we use the spoon to separate the milk from the foam. At the very end, spooning just a little bit of very wet foam on the top of the drink. With the cappuccino, we want the milk and the foam to come out together and then to separate. We went through the cappuccino steaming standard, and as you remember, we created quite a bit more foam for cappuccino than we did for latte. Let me go through the steps, the method of production for producing a cappuccino. So we'll take our milk and pour it into the pitcher. Again, we are looking to double the volume of milk in the pitcher with foam, but once again, that foam has to have a very creamy, dense texture with no visible bubbles. So we set our pitcher to the side. I'll use a clear glass so that you can plainly see the separation that happens during the pulling and the brewing. There we go. Doing the same exact thing every single time. About a 10-degree angle. To get that milk started. Again, we're looking to double the volume, steadily and smoothly lowering the pitcher against the tip of the steam wand up to 100 degrees until we've doubled the volume in the pitcher, which we have. And then when we get to 120, we turn it off. Now, we have our pitcher of cappuccino foam. And again, it's very creamy, but a little bit thicker than it was for a latte. We're going to pour out of the side of the pitcher for cappuccino. It's a fairly quick pour, and we're using the spoon to help the foam along. And if you see it, you can watch it separate out in the cup. And eventually what we'll wind up with is a cup that's approximately half full with foam and half full with milk, with the delicious taste of espresso throughout. So we'll wait for that to settle out and for the line to appear. It's a little bit like a snow globe, or a good Guinness. I could go for a good Guinness. Beginning to see the faint lines of separation around here. And there you have it. Foam and milk below with the taste of espresso throughout. A well-poured cappuccino. This is your standard for a cappuccino.